Hi guys, good morning. Let's go to pattern focus and find today's pattern, which is going to be Malachite. Come on. Okay, here's another one that I can turn into like a Christmas ornament look, which is awesome. This is where we're aiming. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So, starting with this sort of elongated rice shape. Little crescent, and then an aura. Then on either side of that, we're going to put two circles. Okay. And then we're going to do like a leaf type shape coming out from that circle. Up and around. And then aura that. Up and around and aura that. Okay. Then step 4, we're going to put some circles at the tips here. I'm trying to think why you wouldn't do circle, 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 because that's hard to get this shape. Maybe easier to put the circle inside that shape. Okay. And then step 5, from about halfway down this here, we're going to do again a curve with an aura, and that's it. That's the shape, and then we can embellish it however we want to embellish it. So let's give that a go. Excuse me. I need to move that so I can see. I need to give me a little prop up so that I can see. Okay, so this is the one from yesterday. I'm just going to flip it over, do it on the other side, and turn on my light so I can see, so we get rid of all those shadows. And I'm going to do a little border. I think I might group 3 of those. Maybe we'll put one here, and then maybe one here. Maybe just 2. With a string coming up like it's dangling. Something like that. Okay, usually I would put 3, but I kind of like 2 because of the size of this and shape of this. So I think I wanted about here as my middle. So it kind of goes that way, and then down here like that. Alright. Oops, wrong pen. Why did I pick up a brush pen? Who knows? Okay, let's try again. So I want it to be about that size. You're a little far away. I'm going to zoom you in just a smidge. About that size. And then I'm going to do an aura. Like that. Okay, so then on this side, we're going to do a circle and a circle, right? And then we want to do sort of a leaf-like shape coming out here and up and around and down, and then make an aura of that shape, like that. Kind of a leaf-like shape, and an aura. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Then we can put a circle here. And then this comes about halfway, comes out and around like that and like that, and again like that, and like that. Okay, that's our shape. That's cool. Okay, so then I'm going to do another one down here and see if I can get them to maybe overlap a little. And if I can't get a lot of overlapping, I might put a third one. We'll see. So I want like that. Like that. Like that. And then it goes here and here. And then the leafy shape up and down and up and down, and then this way, a leafy shape and leafy shape like that. Okay, and then what? And then the circle here and a circle here, and then this one, this curve like that, and this curve like that. And then I'm going to put a little loop shape, and I'm going to put a string. Like that. Okay. That's good. I like that. Okay, and then we can embellish however we want to embellish. I'm going to erase all my little pencil smudges. I think I want on this one, I think I want a border. So I'm going to get my brush pen. Like that. It's pretty jaggedy, but that's all right. I'm fine with that. And then, do I want to do any sort of embellishments? I think I do. I think I maybe want something like that. Am I going to do that on both of them? I think so. I think I want them to match. Sometimes I would make them two different things, but I think I want these guys to match in their elements. So I'm going to go ahead and make them match. Rain is tapping on my door. think I feel like it needs something here in the middle, but I don't know what. Yeah, that's good. There we go. That needed something. And I think they need some contrast, so I think I'm going to do some striping. I need my bigger pen so I can fill in. I think I want... something like that. You guys hear the rain pit-pattering? I feel like it also needs this to be filled in. And maybe this. Needs something. I'm not sure what. So I'm just adding things. I may be completely going off the rails and making it worse, but I'm just feeling like it needs some contrast. So that's where I'm going. Okay. Don't have a lot to say today. I'll have to think of something to say tomorrow. I've finished off all my questions, so I may have to see if there's another source of questions somewhere. Feeling like that's too much dark in that circle. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to come back when I do my white. I'm going to get out, instead of the white pencil, I'm going to get out my white gel pen, and I'm going to maybe make a spiral in those circles. I like the dark, but I think it's almost too much. There we go. Okay, so now it's time to highlight and put my name and stuff. What's it called? Malachite. M-A-L-A-C-H-I-T. And I'm going to get out my white decorating Japanese pen that I really like. Make sure, oh, where's my scrap piece of paper? I've lost my scrap piece of paper. Okay, there's one over here. Okay. Is that too white? That's pretty white. It'll be fine as long as I do other things with this pen. Like that. That'll help. Something like that. And then I think I need to just go ahead and do that in the white. Oops. Gotta be careful not to stick your finger in it. It will smudge. And then I think I'm going to want white pencil, because the white pencil will give me the white, but it won't be quite as stark as this white pen. That's what I want. I think I want this. The rain is coming down good now. You hear it? Okay, white pencil. Yeah, that's what it's good. That's good. It's white, but it still shows some of that green through. It's not quite as vibrant as that solid white. And I think I want half of that. Like that. And I think I want inside of here. Like that. Beautiful. I think I like those. All right, there is today's pattern turned into Christmas ornaments because, you know, 'tis the season. And I think it came out good. I like it. You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna do a little research to see if I can find some place to find some topics of conversation. And I will see you later. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today, and let's make the world a better place. A better place, not a bitter place. One a smile at a time, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.